Rick Ross works on his jump shot in his private airport hangar.
We finna move around the city. We got a few homies. It's a few big wigs in the motherfucking city. We gonna go pull up on them. Y'all already know, man. Everybody keep streaming the single. It ain't nothing but love. All the brand ambassadors keep posting those bottles. Keep repping the brands. We finna do some big things in the next couple weeks. I want you to be a part of this, and it's only one way to separate the norm. Everybody who going hard, show me, hit me in the DM. Let's rep. THRT. You already know that's the denim motherfucking dynasty, and it's the y'all motherfuckers better get online, man. This shit so fly. This just one of the cool simple t-shirts, but the denim and the jeans.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Y'all know what the going on. You heard me? I done held a pilot up for 45 minutes going to Vegas, but I had to get my workout in. You already know I got something big coming up. You already know. Shaq and Kobe out now. Stream that motherfucking shot. We got something bigger coming up with a few other NBA legends. That's why I had to come get with the motherfucking champion to work on that shot. You seen it. You seen it. You seen it. It's too good to be true. I got a flight to catch. I'm going to see y'all next time. It's the biggest ball. The boss. Clean it up, baby. Let's go. Man, it's that new of new. These might not even be on the website yet.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.